The rebuild of our Bedford bus, or SB3 bus drive shaft, is complete, and it's laid out here on the driveway. But what we've done is we've replaced all the universals with new ones, checked all the splines, orientated, all got the phasing correct, new hangers, so they're all pressed in there nicely. Two new hangers, another universal, and new universals all the way up. So now when I go for a warrant or a stick fitness, should be no issues with the cups moving in the housings. So it's all good. Also, I've cleaned up all the nuts and bolts that hold the drive shaft together, and what we're going to do is run some Loctite on them, even though they are locking nuts. They have a cut in the top, if I can get the camera to focus, and they have a cut down the side, and what they do is they press this little top bit together. So what it means is as you screw the thread into it, it runs free until you get to the end here, and this is the locking part. And they work quite well. These actually work better than nylocks. That's a nylock there, which has like a nylon insert pressed into the top here. These tend to wear out pretty quick, taking them on and off, but these pressed ones, pressed steel, do not. Anyway, I'll go put it all back in.